Here at the Center for Implant Dentistry, our patient safety is our priority. When you come for a visit, we have a hand sanitizing station and we'll take your temperature and check oxygen levels. If necessary, we have rapid tests that give us instant results. Air purifiers placed around the office provide clean air while we do procedures and while you wait. Our disinfectant fogger gets hard-to-reach places in our center. Using UV sterilization, we can get items that may be difficult to clean, such as arm cuffs used to take blood pressure or glasses patients wear during surgery. Our staff has all been vaccinated and just recently finished their second dose. We look forward to seeing you in our office. Keep smiling and stay safe.